performing first. People who are paying it first. So before I get into that, let's talk about performing versus non-performing. So you'll see NPN, which stands for non-performing note. So if somebody say I have NPNs for sale, they're talking about delinquent mortgage notes, right? And then you have the PN, which is the performing note. So a performing note is a note that is 90 days or less current. So that means a homeowner could be current, they could be 30 days late, 60 days late, and 90 days late. It's still considered a performing note. Does anybody know what happens once they go past 90 days?
They're not going to initiate the foreclosure process.
Yes. What the bank does is what's called, they file a lis pendens. Anybody familiar with that term? A lis pendens? They file a lis pendens on a property, which is pending litigation, and they start the foreclosure process, right? So the value of a performing note is more than a non-performing note. Common sense, right? So after 90 days, the value of this note is cheaper. So anything more than 90 days or more, is non-performing, right? These are the notes that we buy. We buy non-performing notes behind performing first. And I like the first to be current, maybe 30, maybe 60. You know, it all depends how much equity is in there. And I'll show you here. Any questions on performing versus non-performing? Yes.
Performance 90 days or less, which makes it current.
Yes. So a homeowner could be 90 days late, 60 days late, 30 days late, or current, and is considered performing. Anything more than 90 days late, it's classified as a non-performing note, and the value of that note is cheaper. So this is showing an example. If we're talking about a first mortgage now, if I had a $100,000 first mortgage that was 90 days late, I may pay, I don't know, 95,000. Just say 80,000, right? If it was 60 days late, and this is how crazy it gets. Understand all the pieces. If it was 60 days late, I may pay, it's going to be a little bit more. I may pay, let's say 85, 90, and 95, down to 100%. So this is 60, 30, and this may be current. Current can go to 100%, 95%. So if it's 30 days late and you go to the bank and say I want to buy this note at a discount, the bank may sell you their 30 days late at 90 cents on the dollar. They may sell you their 60 days later at 85 cents, or their 90 days later at 80 cents. It all depends. That's first mortgage. So that's just to show you the value once how late it gets, the cheaper it gets, right?